Bulgur wheat is whole grain, parboiled, and widely used in Middle Eastern countries. It's quick to prepare, rich in fiber, and healthy. The most coarse bulgur is similar in size to Korean rice. I'm basically replacing white rice with bulgur to make kimchi fried rice. Oh no, I mean kimchi fried bulgur. When we cook fried rice in Korea, we cook with rice that has already become dried, and it's called 고슬밥 or 고두밥. So, one-day-old rice is perfect for this fried rice dish. Look, this bulgur wheat just naturally gives a similar effect. It naturally has that nice chewiness, and the grains don't stick to each other, just like dried rice. After using the plastic board, I spray bleach water mixture and rinse thoroughly. Cool off the bulgur on a baking sheet till it's needed. Important element number 1 is 파기름, green onion infused oil. We will make it in the pan. Important element number 2, a little bit of salty meat. I'm using turkey bacon, but really, any bacon is fine. Just control the seasoning depending on how salty your bacon is. It's crucial to release the aroma slowly from green onions. Give enough time to sweat them on low heat. Add kimchi and some sugar. When your kimchi is fresh, add some vinegar. And when kimchi is very old, tastes too sour, add more sugar. This is a general rule when it comes to cooking dishes using kimchi. Taste and adjust the seasoning with soy sauce. Later, after chucking in bulgur wheat, add more if you need to. After tasting, I'm adding a little bit of more soy sauce. Crush some sesame seeds. This will help release the flavor. We love to put an egg on the top of kimchi fried rice. Important element number 3. Runny egg yolk or cooked, it's up to you. The saltiness and spiciness coming from kimchi fried rice certainly go perfectly well with the taste of an egg. To make it a little bit quicker, I covered it. If you want bright yolk, don't cover it and cook longer on low heat. Or finish in the top rack of the oven.